Anyway, why'd you bring me here, Bones? Well, this used to be my grandfather. Ow. How is it your grandfather? Bloop. I don't know. Ow. The hay. Let's go check it out. You stay. Help me. Thump. Who the heck is this dude? I think it's his grandfather. No, his grandmother. Hi guys. Is that your grandfather? Yeah. You're a butt. Oh, you know what? I have a better one. You. Yes. You're a freaking butthole. You. What? What the freak? You're a god dang butthole. I suck.